Hello and welcome to Little Learners. In today's video I'm going to be showing you how to make 7 different types of rainbows. 6 of them are to display in your window and 1 of them is just for fun. If you're anything like me, the rainbow you put up in your window at the beginning of this lockdown has seriously faded, so I thought it might be a good idea to look at some creative ways to make some more rainbows. First of all, we're going to start with this stained glass window effect, rainbow in a heart. You'll need some tissue paper in the colours of the rainbow, that's red, orange, yellow, green, blue, purple and pink, some see-through plastic. Here I'm using a laminating pouch that I've put through the laminator, but you can also use plastic packaging. Some of my card that I use came in this packaging and it works just as well with something like this. You'll also need a black piece of card or paper. Don't forget that PVA glue. So, to start with, we use our plastic sheet and cover it in PVA glue. Then we start sticking on our tissue paper, going from red all the way down to pink in the order of the rainbow colours. Once you've stuck down the tissue paper, you then need to cover that tissue paper in PVA glue. Now of course this isn't the traditional rainbow shape, but it's really fun to do something a little bit different. I just want to take the opportunity now to say that I really hope you're all staying safe and you are all well. I really love the fact that our channel has been growing so much during this lockdown, and I'm really happy that I'm able to support some of you who have been helping your children at home. I love hearing your stories about how you're using my videos to do activities with your children. Once you've placed all of your tissue paper, make sure it is completely covered with PVA glue and the edges are also covered. Once it's dry, you will then be able to peel off your tissue paper from the plastic backing. Go slowly and carefully so that it doesn't tear. And you'll have something that looks like this. Now we need the frame for our window. I'm going with a heart shape, but of course you can go with whichever kind of shape you like. A traditional window, a letter, really the options are endless. Next you need to line up your shape on top of your tissue paper and cut around it. Like so. Now we have a heart-shaped window, so we just need to turn this black heart into a frame, so I'm going to cut out the middle. Check that it fits, and then use glue to stick it on. Trim off any excess, and there you have it, your very own rainbow stained glass window. When you put this up in your window, it looks brilliant because the light shines right through it. Okay, on to rainbow number 2. This one also uses tissue paper and, quite like the last activity, is great for fine motor skills. You'll need your PVA glue again, and a white piece of paper. Tear off pieces of the tissue paper and roll them into balls. Make a rainbow shape on your paper with your PVA glue and stick the tissue paper balls onto it. Start with red, and move on to orange, yellow, green, blue, purple and pink. making a rainbow shape as you go. This activity is really easy, but it's also a bit time consuming, so make sure you set aside some time for this. Our next rainbow is this kind of fan effect. For this we're going to need paper in our rainbow colours: red, orange, yellow, green, blue, purple and pink. We will also need a black piece of paper or card. And of course, our handy PVA glue. Put your black card to one side and put all of your paper together. For this activity, we're going to only need 1/4 of each piece of paper, so cut it so that you only have 1/4 of each. Next, we're going to fold this into a fan shape. This is a concertina fold. If you're unsure of how to get each fold to be equal, fold it in half and then fold the edges in towards the middle. Do this with each piece of paper . And then stick each one together in the order of the rainbow colours. Once you've stuck them all together, you should have something a bit like this. Now, fold them all up, pinch them at the bottom, and you'll find that you can make a fan. To make our rainbow fan stand up, however, we're going to need a base for it. This is where our black card or paper comes in. First, measure out how long your base needs to be. Cut out a strip of the card . Cover it in PVA glue . Open up your fan and place it on the piece of black card, sticking it to your base. And there you have it, your very own rainbow fan, which can either stand on your windowsill or you can use a piece of blue tack to stick it in your window. Next up, we have this lolly stick cloud rainbow. For this craft, you're going to need some paints in the rainbow colours, 7 lolly sticks, and some balls of cotton wool. Of course, we'll also need our PVA glue. I've put down a sheet of paper so that I don't get paint all over my table. Lay out each of your lolly sticks and paint one in each of the rainbow colours. Once they're dry, stick them together using PVA glue on the edges. Once that's dry, we can make our cloud using PVA glue and cotton balls. I found that using 3 at the bottom and 2 at the top made a really nice cloud. And there you have it, your very own lolly stick rainbow cloud. Display it in your window for all to see. Next, we have this cotton ball rainbow. You're going to need your paints again, a sheet of blue paper, or if you don't have blue, white will do, and we'll need some cotton balls. Quite a lot of cotton balls. So for this we're going to be printing or stamping using cotton wool. Dip the cotton wool in the paint and use it to create your rainbow shape. Again, we'll go from red all the way to pink. Once your rainbow is completed, we can make the clouds on either end using more cotton wool. Put down some PVA glue and stick your cotton wool balls at the ends of your rainbow. And it really is as easy as that. Next, we're going to be making this paper plate rainbow, which you can use as a kind of mobile. First, you'll need a paper plate, some string or ribbon, and a hole punch, although if you don't have one, you can just use a sharp pencil to poke a hole through. We'll also need some scissors. Start by cutting your paper plate in half. Again, I'm using a piece of paper to make sure that my table doesn't get paint all over it, because we're going to need those paints again. Paint the paper plate in order of the rainbow colours. Starting with a red strip at the top, moving down to orange, yellow, green, blue, purple and pink. Once your rainbow is dry, use your hole punch or a sharp pencil to poke a hole through the top. Thread your string or ribbon through the hole and tie it at the end to make a loop. You can use this to hang your rainbow anywhere. To make it even more effective, paint the back of the mobile as well. Okay, the next one is just for fun and not really one that you'll put in your window. For this you'll need some sheets of kitchen roll, some washable felt tips in rainbow colours, and a black Sharpie. Start off by drawing a rainbow using only lines and leave a gap between each line, like I'm doing here. I would recommend using 2 sheets of paper towel just to make sure that the felt tip doesn't go through onto your table. Next, use the black Sharpie to go over those lines so that you cannot see the colour anymore. Once you've done that, grab a tray or dish of water and invite your children to drop the black rainbow into the water. When they do this, they'll start to see the colours bleeding out from underneath the black Sharpie. If it's not quite working the way that you hoped, they can also give it a bit of a poke to encourage the colours to come out. This is truly a magical rainbow. So, which one are you going to make? Let me know in the comments below. And if you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up as it really helps out the channel. If you'd like to see more videos like this, do click the subscribe button. You can also find some home learning activities by using the link in the description box below. Thank you so much for watching, stay safe, and I will see you next time.